Hello viewers, the second part of area related to circles will discuss about the sector. Now what is sector? Sector is part of area of a circle. So from here to draw from the center, O is the center. So this portion is called sector of a circle. Can you remember your birthday when you cut the birthday cake? Always you make a slice from here, and this part is taken outside. Now, how we'll get the area, the perimeter, and the length of arc AB? So here, one thing, it makes an angle at the center, and we name it as theta. So theta is the angle subtended by the arc AB. Now, using theta, we'll find the length of the arc AB, which is, we'll denote this by L. Now, we'll find a relation between the circumference and the length of the arc, because the length of the arc is part of the circumference. If you observe this diagram, when the length of the arc is AB, it subtends angle theta at the center. And when you consider the whole circumference, the angle subtended at the center is 360 degrees. So you can write that L by theta is equals to L related to the, here L and theta, and we can write here when theta is 360 degree, the length means here the circumference, that is 2 pi r. So from this relation we'll get L is equals to, theta comes here, so theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So we get a first formula, length of arc AB is equals to angle subtended at the center, that is theta, by total angle 360 degree into circumference of the circle, which is equals to theta by 360 into 2 pi r, or theta by 180 pi r. Now we'll find the perimeter. Perimeter of the sector AOB. Here, this part related to the perimeter. So, OA. OA is the radius. So, this is R. OB, also the radius. This is R and this is L. So, OA, length of OA, length of arc AB plus length of BO. So, this is R, and then this formula, length of the arc AB, theta by 360 into circumference 2 pi r plus another r. So finally we are getting 2r plus theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now area of the sector AOB. That means this area we want to find. So here also you make a relation that sector AOB by area of the whole circle Now, when sector AOB, the corresponding angle at the center is theta. Consider the area of the whole circle, the corresponding angle at the center is 360 degree. So, from this relation, we can write, therefore, theta by 360 into area of the whole circle, that is area of a circle. So theta by 360 into pi r square units. Now we'll discuss some special cases. First one, and if we divide it into 4, and if we consider this area, so at the figure we are observing that the total area of the circle is divided into 4 parts, and the part AOB is called quadrant, and this is 1/4 of the whole circle. So area of the quadrant is equal to 1/4 pi r square. Next we are taking a sector which subtend 60-degree angle So when theta is equal to 60 degree, the circle is divided into 6 parts. Six equal parts. One-sixth area of the circle. Now if angle AOB is 30 degree, the whole 360 degree when divided by 30, you get 12. So when theta is equals to 30 degree, the circle is divided into 12 equal parts. So here the area of the sector having 30-degree angle at center is equals to 1/12 of the circle, that is 1/12 pi r square. Now here the whole circle is divided into 3 equal parts. That means here theta is equals to the whole 360 angle is divided into 3 equal parts, so each angle will be 120 degree. And area of the sector AOB in this case when theta is 120 degree, it is 1/3 of the circle area of a circle. So 1/3 pi r square units. So these are the special cases when it is a quadrant, that is quadrant means 1/4 of the circle. We got the area of the quadrant AOB as 1/4 pi r square. When it is 60 degree, 360 degree, so we'll get 6. That is, when theta is 60 degree, circle is divided into 6 equal parts. So each part is equal to 1/6 pi r square. So here is equals to 1/6 pi r square is the area of the sector. When angle at the center is 30 degree, or 360 is divided into 12 parts. So when theta is 30 degree, circle is divided into 12 equal parts. Area of the sector having 30 degree at the center is 1/12 of the circle, that is 1/12 of the pi r square units. And when theta is 120 degree, the whole circle is divided into 3 equal parts, and each part is equals to 1/3 area of the circle, that is 1/3 pi r square units. Okay, thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.